beautiful can be.
Oh, we're doing a video.
We are doing a video. Today's video with my lopsided bun. Today's video is cooking with Ken. Tonight we are cooking baked spaghetti. Jaquez is actually also cooking tonight. We're cooking baked spaghetti. Right now we are at Walmart getting our ingredients. We have to get some hamburger meat, some seasonings so our food ain't nasty and dry and unseasoned. So I wanted to make a video of us cooking tonight because we never cook together other than noodles. And noodles don't count. And noodles do not count.
It's those Indonesian noodles, y'all know what I'm talking about? Them things slap.
If you don't know what he's talking about, hit the like button because I know y'all don't know what he's talking about. But yes, so we are going in Walmart to get our spaghetti stuff now.
Need some white.
Also, we're getting the ragu sauce. We're getting this one, the tomato, garlic, and onion, and then we're getting this one, so 2 piece. And then also in the cart we have one deep dish pan, some Parmesan because I love Parmesan cheese, and the noodles. Up next, we're going to get some spaghetti, and then we're going to get some cheese and the ground beef. So we're getting our ground beef next. I just got ground beef chuck. Hey y'all, I am back and we are going to the market to pick up the rest of our stuff, which is just some plates and some forks because we ended up getting everything else from Walmart. I just want to tell y'all a quick story time. So I'm up here trying to help Jaquez put our groceries in his trunk, which is right here. And he has some secret surprise for me this weekend that I cannot see. So I hit my elbow because he tries to move me out the way like, oh Kennedy, you can't see it.
Bumped her elbow.
I bumped my elbow, but still, that mess hurt. So yes, like I said, we're going to the market now on campus to get the rest of our stuff. And then I'll pick back up when we start to cook because we're gonna be in there making spaghetti, baked spaghetti. Bye, Kendalls. See you soon. I don't think I've ever shown y'all app before, but I will do like a little campus tour. But this is just the library. And I am walking to the market now, and then once I get in the market I'll show y'all because there's an annoying person with a skateboard coming right to our left. App State Market. We have 2 of these on campus. We have one here and then we have one on the other side of campus. So yeah, this is just the market. We came in here for plates and cups, but I'm gonna get a couple extra things that they now have, and I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all on. This is the best frozen Alfredo I've ever. So if y'all found this at like Walmart, I highly recommend you get it. As you can see, I'm getting 2 of these. Okay y'all, I am back. Unfortunately, since we live in a residence hall, we have to cook with these masks on, so the whole time the mask will be on. So I have already, let me show you. I have already put some water in a pan, and now I'm just gonna add some oil to it so that the noodles don't stick. And I'm just using Crisco vegetable oil. And then I'm just going to put it on 9 and wait for it to heat up. Water, and I'm waiting for it to boil. I have it on 9, so we'll see how long it takes. And then this is the pan we're going to use for the hamburger. This is the hamburger, the mozzarella, the Parmesan for the top. I got some ranch because I bought some lettuce to make a little salad, some black pepper, some Italian seasoning. This is our pan I showed y'all earlier, and then this is our strainer. This might be like a sauce pan we use for the sauce. This is the ragu sauce I showed y'all earlier, and then the Parmesan, and these are my measuring cups and everything I use whenever I cook down here. Chopping up some onions to put in the ground beef to give it some flavor. This is just yellow onions. So y'all, this was Parmesan cheese. We're gonna put in between each layer. And this is mozzarella cheese. And then I'm gonna do noodle and then meat Maybe not, y'all. I thought these noodles weren't hot. And now I'm gonna take some meat.
You never throw it in?
You know, I just do one later. Do that. And this meat, I don't know if we showed y'all, but this is the hamburger and the pasta sauce.
I don't think we showed the mix.
Mix them together with the garlic and the onions. One day I want to try to make my own sauce and see what it's like, and not like buy a sauce. But yeah, so just trying to cover the noodles with the meat, and then I'll do one more layer of noodles.
So you get a little happy with it. You could do more, but so you get a little happy with the cheese. I'm not a big fan of cheese, y'all.
Update on time. So we started buying everything for the spaghetti at 8:24, and if you see the time now, I'm pretty sure it's like 11:30. So this was a 3-hour process, and our next step after this is just putting this in the oven and just letting the cheese on top of it.
It's mainly because the stove is terrible.
Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. This is the Texas toast and the baked spaghetti. And I also got some lettuce that's over there. Now I'm going to eat with some ranch. But yeah, this is the finished product. I might tell y'all how it tastes later. Maybe not. Not sure. But this is the finished product.